All right, I hope you learned from the last video where I showed you how to create flyers designs using Canva. It's a very beautiful tool. These are some designs I've done in Canva myself, and I used to be a professional graphic designer. And I say used to because I haven't designed in over 2 years now. So I have a designer that works for my agency, which means I really don't design, but I mean, I've done lots of design. Even I don't do professional design. I just work with Canva and it's pretty decent. So it's a great tool. The other nice thing, which is very exciting, you can do with Canva is make videos. Who doesn't like videos? Video ads are great. They can help you sell out. So let me say I want to make a video ad for my fashion pieces again. I'll just click on the same way we search on the home page. It says, what will you design today? I'll just say fashion video, or let me say video ad, and search. Now we're going to see different options. All right, it should give you a preview of each video when you click on it. Let's click on this. And is this a video? Why is it not playing? I wanted to get it. All right, see, so this is what this particular video is. This is not the kind of video I'm looking for. I'm looking for a motion graphic kind of video where things are coming in, they're flying out, so that it feels more complicated. I don't know why I want it to be complicated anyways, but yeah. Okay, this is a good one. It's looking like an Instagram story kind of template. The first thing you want to make sure you do is choose the right dimension of videos you want to create. I hope you know this kind of a template. If you do this, you'll have problem using this as a regular square size post because it won't fit. It's a story kind of graphics, I mean video. So I would use that, or let's see if you can find something. Okay, this is a landscape design. Let's use this. This is looking simple and nice enough. So customize templates, the same process really, but the difference here would be that for a video it would come in frames, as you can see, as against my earlier design that just had one frame. This would have multiple frames because that's how videos are made up. And frame 1, at the bottom here you can see the duration of that clip: 1.5, 0.5, 0.5, 0.5, you know, and then 4.8. Let's play the video and see. Very easy video. What are some things you can change? You click on the clip. This is Werner and Spencer. Let's say we are not Werner and Spencer, we are winter and summer. Summer. No, I went to school. I can't spell summer like that. Summer. Okay. Let me click on a text box and add our and text. Just click on text and here add a text box. I'm just going to type and make it very big, just like they are. There's winter and summer. I would also like to use a thicker font for it so that it's more pronounced. I would hold down shift. If you want to select two items, hold down shift and select the other one, and then let me go for a thicker font. Yeah, I like this. All right, I'll click outside or anywhere else so I can drag this. The R fell off, so we need to bring Mr. R back. Archival black. I need to change the color of this. Let me try a different color. It's not showing. All right, the other thing you might want to do is, let's see what this background thing really is. Is it an image? Is it a video? Because whichever one it is, you can change it. So it is still graphics. Good. Let's assume you want to change these graphics. What do you do to that? Just click on it. It says detach image from background, which means you've removed that image from the frame. Go to upload, and let's find another picture to add. Let's say we want to add this image. I'll just click on this. It's very easy. Just blow up the picture to the point where it fits in the frame, or you can click on right click and set image as background. So you see I can now delete this. It has added my image as background. Winter and summer is right here. The image has a text on it, so that's why you're seeing this multiple text, but that's how you can add your image. Alternatively, if what you had is a video clip, that's how you do the same. Let me add this video clip, for example. I'll just click on this, it will drop it on the design, and then I can do what? Replace background. So it makes this my background. Although if you look below, now the timeline of that video is 22 seconds, which is a lot. To reduce it, at least you should be familiar with this after watching your tutorial on how to make videos. I don't know if you watched it before or after this, but it's always just by cropping and reducing the duration of this. So let me bring it down to like 4 seconds and put and here. All right, and I'm going to drag. This is the timeline and play. So you can see that a video is now playing in the background as against a picture, and then these other guys come up. The other thing I want to show you is for this text, if you notice, it wasn't there in the first screen. It came in, it appeared in a way. We can set the way we want our text to come in, or any element. As a matter of fact, do you want it to be faded in? For that, click on fade, which is the animate, and here you're going to see the different option. Currently it's on fade, that's why it faded in. See, if I put it on pan, see the way it entered. If I put it on rise, it came from under. If I put it on, see, so you can just use different kind of, all right, see drift. I kind of like this. I can do the same for this and use drift. You can set the direction of the drift. It's okay, you can say go this way or go up. See, summer is going up because that's where I set it to go, or I just put it left so that they meet in the middle, right? So that's how you add transition to what you do. The other thing is, so we have this page, is just this image here. According to the template, you should not have to edit so much in your template, because the whole point is choosing a template that looks like what you want, so that you have to make so much structural changes. The changes you should be making are just changing your own content, replacing your words, adjusting the timelines. So let me play this video from the beginning again, and you'll see what we have now. Winter and summer, can you see that? And then these other images are repeated, and finally we have this as well. Let's say you want to add a sound to it. How do you do that? Same thing, come to upload. In case you don't have an audio here before, click on the upload and upload the audio file. But if you do, click on audio and you can see your beats. I'll click on this. By default, it will have you extend it to where you want the audio to start from. All right, I'm not sure this will play aloud because of the mic I'm using, and if I disconnect the mic, it's going to stop recording this video. So unfortunately you won't hear the sound, but I'll just show you one thing you can do with audio, which is typical. Is maybe you want to reduce the volume. For that, just click on adjust, and is it adjust? Even I can be, yeah, volume, right click. What I did was just right click on the audio section. Remember, if you notice, it has now faded the up part, which means we are working on the audio. Right click and then adjust the volume. Sometimes you may not want it so loud, depending on what it is. If you have a voiceover and you want to add a sound, your voiceover should be louder than your sound, but typically this should be 100 because it's a motion graphic video. You want the video to carry that sound all through. And when you're done, if you want to add more, you can also duplicate pages. Let's say you want more of pages like this, just click on this little dot at the top and say duplicate. If you want to add something else here, snowy, sunny, you can do that. Even change the background image on this, detach image from video, delete. I can go here and add another video, see, and right click and say set video as background. Done. Which means I need to change the color of this my text. Let me use a red so it would be more, see. The timeline is also large. Reduce it to fit what you need in mind or what you have in mind. And there we go. Winter and summer comes up. The next slide. If you notice, there is a little round thing here. That is what we call the transition. You can click on it and change. It's currently on circle swipe. In case you want to add it to something that doesn't have one before, by default this will be here, right? Yeah. So click on this and say add transition and just click on that. So you see, let me play that. See the way this guy came in is different from others. So that's pretty much what you can do. There are other things and you can explore them, try your hands out on a different thing. The same way you export an image, you go to share. When you're done, click on download, adjust the quality. This is on 4K, which is the largest, and select pages. Typically for video it should be all pages, which means you want all the screens to show, and then you click on download and voila. But I don't really need this video, so I'm just gonna cancel it. That's how you make videos in Canva, ladies and gentlemen. Again, it starts from finding the right template. Find a template that looks like what you want and just tweak around. So I hope you enjoyed this. Thank you so much for watching, and that will be the end of this module. This module is really to just teach you how to use most popular content creation tools like CapCut for videos, and then Canva for graphics, and then for motion graphic video. This kind of videos are called motion graphics. They are more about graphic elements coming in and coming out. Thanks for watching.